What?
I've never seen a jack-o'-lantern, or not a jack-o'-lantern.
Jack in the Box?
Yeah, like it's hot. Now it's hot.
Oh my gosh.
That thing's definitely cursed. And now that thing's going to probably haunt you for the rest of your life.
Anywhere.
How you doing?
Yeah, this is the one. They usually are really expensive. The glass. That's cool. There's like they're not worth anything, but it is cool. Mamma Mia the movie. It'll be worth a couple bucks.
Yeah, it's crazy, but we sold a bunch already. If you had eats, I would have taken them. That's what I was looking for.
Waterford Crystal. Couple of random things I found. Oh, nice.
Molly.
13.
We asked him for 8, he could show up at 25. Build up. Yeah, I wish you would, but still, that's a little bit of a stretch.
What do you got on this stuff?
$7.
$7? Okay.
Yep. Yeah, that's kind of cool.
Yeah,
vintage.
it's actually really neat looking.
Yeah. I figure somebody might want that.
It's like a postmodern
Yes,
kind of
thank you. I'm here tomorrow too, 'cause I'm still putting stuff out. So
clearing out like storage or something?
no, it was a house.
Oh, okay. Like
but
estate
yeah, I got
buyouts?
Yeah.
Any action figures or anything?
No action figures. A lot of
Okay.
time, most of my clients are old folks.
yeah.
So
A lot of glass.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I am gonna have a lot of electronics and cameras
Okay.
tomorrow.
Gotcha. All right, cool.
But if you're out about,
Knives I like too. So.
okay.
Yeah.
You see the little one? Okay, yeah, right there it is.
Oh no, I didn't see it. I'll take a look. Wow, that's crazy small. What do you got on that one? $3, huh? Sure. It's interesting enough that I'll buy it.
So you got a,
Yeah, GoPro.
yeah.
Yeah, I have like a little YouTube channel actually.
Okay.
I got $3.
So you hit the yard sales.
Yeah, yeah. People.
Look what I found today.
Yeah, exactly. And people like just watching and shopping with you, you know?
Yeah.
Well, this looks expensive. Twisty girl. How much is your Pokemon?
$2.
What about Twisty girl? How much? $2. That's a crazy mess. Creepy.
Yeah.
How Dr. Seuss wrote the Cat in the Hat.
¿No me quieres traer las bolsas que están allá?
Buying pallets or something. Stocking
Yeah.
stuffers.
That's why it's
Okay,
so
so
cheap.
this is all your wheelhouse.
No, Elf is pretty cheap. This is kind of
¿Este cuánto cuesta?
Hmm.
¿Se puede poner al teléfono?
Some ink. Why is it in such bad condition? This is like robbing a Target. Target palette.
Uno, dos, tres.
Oh, here we go. Phillips Norelco. That's kind of nice. Yeah. Oh, that's cool. North Pole. We're going to the same places. Oh, sorry.
Oh, okay.
All types of shavers.
Ah, deje que me traiga las bolsas.
How much is this?
That
Shaver?
one. 65.
$65.
It's got like something on it. So I know it's not new.
20. It's new one. You can see.
Yeah, no, I see the tag. It's just pretty beat up.
How much is this?
$10.
$10.
Perdón.
How much are those?
I need that.
$1?
Yeah.
Okay.
Ah, gracias a ustedes.
Hasta luego.
Here you go, $5.
Ah, do you want back or?
No,
No,
we're good. Thank you. Is this a yard sale?
Yes.
Okay. Wasn't sure. Good.
Get the reader, okay? We'll get the reader. Car reader.
Yo,
You're the NC picker.
I am. Who are you?
I'm I actually just got into watching your videos recently.
okay.
I'm actually from Seattle.
Oh, nice.
And
that's
started
$100, reasonable.
but it's really funny. I've been watching your videos. Your name's Dave?
Yeah,
I'm
yeah.
Dave also.
Dave, nice to meet you.
My channel's the West Coast Dave Engers.
Tina, my wife.
I'm Dave.
What is it, the West Coast what?
Dave Engers. I do just comics. but
Okay.
I travel for work, so I do this for fun.
So you don't actually live here?
Nope. My brother lives in Chapel Hill,
Okay. And so
Yeah.
you live in, you said Seattle?
Seattle. Yeah.
Oh man, you're
Yeah.
far from home.
Yeah, I am.
Dave Enders. Trying to find it.
Do the autocorrect where it says there you go, and then there's me.
Gotcha. Cool,
But-
check it out.
I was just watching the Spawn episode. You didn't miss out. Like, I
Yeah.
would have said $1 a book.
Really?
If that guy didn't want to take it, no.
Really? Yeah. All those comics.
Yeah.
Yeah, he was having me show him how to do it. Dude, I just bought so many Spawn
I
figures.
saw, I was passed out those.
It's insane.
Those. are gonna
Dude,
be-
$300.
So I just saw the preview and I'm like, I
Yeah.
just went to the estate sale.
Yeah.
It's $3 a book, and I got about $10,000 worth of comics for $1,000. And it was the Spawn run from like 100 to 250.
Wow.
And all of those books are just super, super.
Gosh.
Yeah.
So,
Sorry, I thought this was funny.
Toy Story.
I mean, there's a Toy Story case in there, so. You guys
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm
Yeah.
a huge
Wait,
McFarlane fan.
Do you like this? I don't know.
went to the movie. I got some of the movie posters.
Cool.
No shit.
Yeah.
Thundercats? Is that what that is?
Thundercats.
Nice.
Still waiting for. I blame you. I got a big tub of plushies at my house.
The problem is I like plush.
I don't
So,
like
yeah,
it at all.
so
I got all those
that's
big eyed things and all
like
that stuff. And it's just
I don't
like,
mind having them, and I've got all the kids that play with them too. So this is cool.
that was neat.
Yeah,
Very cool. Take it easy.
yeah.
Nice meeting you. That was in that stack.
Well, yeah, I got you. I got
Do you want me to check, make sure?
Yeah, we can. Anything sealed in here? Did you look through
I
them all?
haven't had a chance to those people. You want one?
No. Private function. Maybe a private. Anything scary, basically.
Oh, these are all scary.
No, they're not. These are the things that look lame.
That's a cool mug.
Robin Hood. Chain reaction. Yeah, I don't know what they're charging for these things.
This one's
Yeah, so man, I just enjoy watching your channel.
Oh, thanks,
I mean,
man.
I've been doing
Appreciate
this out in the Northwest for a while. And,
Okay. How are the deals out there? Pretty good?
great. I mean, it's great when you can find them, but we only have like a small window for sales. It's like May
yeah.
through September, and then it's
Yeah.
like, nope. Plus, you
You know.
guys have flea markets here.
Yeah, we do have a flea
And
market.
that's,
So.
that's a thing that just really doesn't exist out there as much anymore.
Well, I have a friend in Utah who says he goes to swap meets. I don't know if you
Yeah,
have
they do
those.
some swap meets. There was
Yeah.
one over the summer that restarted after kind of things started
Yeah.
opening up. And
That's kind of similar, but I don't know. That poster's really cool.
It is.
That's why I came here, because I like that poster. But it's like doesn't look like in very good condition at all.
No, I don't
It's
think
really
it
beat
looks
up.
like it.
Yeah. Yeah.
Actually, this
I don't
is
know.
probably the original. Yeah.
It just looks really water damaged is the
Yeah.
problem. Oh. Kind of looked like that in the picture. See, now my fans are gonna yell at you. They yell at me anytime I put something down too hard. Like if I do this though, like I'll do this, and they'll be like, "You're abusing people's stuff," and I'm like, "I didn't even put it down hard. Like what is happening here?"
You have to see this.
What?
I've never seen a jack-o'-lantern, or not a jack-o'-lantern.
Jack in the Box.
Yeah, like this. It's top. No, it's top.
Oh my
That
gosh.
thing's definitely cursed. And now
Yeah.
that thing's going to probably haunt you for the rest of your life.
It makes sense. I've never seen.
Haven't you seen The Conjuring?
No, those terrify me. I like more like slasher
cool.
movies,
Okay.
like Saw. But
Yeah,
when
yeah,
it comes to that,
It's a
That's
haunted
a nightmare fuel.
yeah, no.
Oh, it's so loud.
There's none. That's how they get you to come. Comics. Unless, yeah, you might.
What are these right here? HP. It's like photo paper.
Look, about bananas.
I wish I'd brought a bag.
You want that?
Yeah, it's cool.
And then Steve, you and me.
The pants? Okay. That's fine. We can get those.
Mine are broken.
Is there anything over here?
It's
Couple
like
things.
stuff.
How much are the tapes?
Those aren't mine.
Oh, okay.
50 cents a tape.
50 cents a tape? Okay. And
Well,
DVDs as well, or
Well, those will be 50 cents, and that's probably like $5.
$5? How about $2?
2.
3, 4? I'm gonna buy this stuff too.
That's for
5,
somebody
6,
else.
7, 8,
Yeah.
9, 10, 11. How much is this one?
12.
12, 13, 14, 15. So $15? Would you do that for all of it?
Well, those are his.
Oh, okay.
So,
Gotcha.
so what was this? So,
Like $5. Would you do $5 for all
yeah,
of it?
5 and
What is
how
that?
about
one?
$8 for this and those? This is ours.
Okay.
Just the
5, 6,
pants.
7.
Then
Yeah,
we owe you
$8.
$7.
Yeah.
And then 7 for you? Okay, cool. Let me just set this down. So I had
All
paid
my
2 different
friends are,
people.
like, busted. I'm like, oh.
Yeah, I'll hit you. You're on IG, right?
On what?
You're on Instagram, right?
Yeah, yeah.
I'll
yeah.
hit you on that. But I've been enjoying
Someone already bought all that?
Yes, that's
Okay.
all. Yeah.
Gotcha. See, we missed all the good stuff, man. That's your man. It's
But
cool.
I'm still waiting for the comics.
Oh, did you ask and they were going to bring them down?
Can't find them.
Alright. Well, hopefully it turn up. Alright, later, man. Hey guys, thank you so much for coming with me to those yard sales. That Jack in the Box at the end, that thing, I showed it to my kids and they were instantly like, Dad, that's going to give us nightmares. Why are you showing us that? So I thought that was pretty funny. That already sold for over $85 and we spent $3 on it. So that was an awesome find by Tina. I ended up getting distracted in that house because there was a couple of viewers there and we ended up in conversation. I cut a bunch of the conversation out because it was probably like 10, 15 minutes of chatting. But Tina kept bringing me good finds, so it's good I had her with me to help. She definitely was the MVP of that sale. You know, I like to work backwards in my recap. I then went to basically a pallet buyer sale. No real good deals there. Even those Twisty Girls weren't really worth buying. They only sell for like $8 and not very often. But I wanted to buy something. Tina bought some headbands for the girls. Most of her prices were just no good for resellers, so couldn't really buy it. And then that first sale was a estate clean out guy. I've been to his sales before, but I've never actually gotten the chance to talk to him. This time I did, and he told me a little bit more about what he does. I got that really cool vintage snapback hat, and I already sold that. I put that in my notes. I wanted to explain to you guys Whatnot, because it is something I'm also selling on. I still sell on eBay, a ton on eBay, but I am doing these weekly Whatnot auctions on Wednesday nights at 8 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. And Whatnot's just like a really fun app where you can go bid on things or sell things if you apply to be a seller. But up till a couple weeks ago, I was just a buyer on there because it's really fun. Basically, it's auctions that start at $1, and they're 60-second or 30-second auctions, and you have just that much time to buy it, and then people just... It's like what eBay should be, right? eBay is super dated now. All the auctions are like 7 days, so eBay is really just for buy it nows. Whatnot is like a real auction platform where you go and you just say, oh, I'm going to buy things at auction or sell things at auction. I get tons of great deals, like... You know, and I like action figures, right? So I'll buy like $1 action figures, and they like do this cumulative shipping thing. So if you buy from the same auctioneer, your shipping gets to be like very affordable. I think like the first time I buy an action figure, it's $4 to ship. Then every additional action figure is $1 more. So I'll sit in a 2-hour action figure auction. I'll spend $40, but I'll get, you know, 20 cool action figures or something like that. So, you know, it's a fun thing. And so now I've started selling on there. I did a vintage hat auction last week. It was really fun. Sold a ton of really good hats. And this weekend will be no exception. I'm auctioning off like a Goodyear Eagle hat, a Daytona hat, this cool Shenandoah Valley one, or Shenandoah Apple Festival. Anyways, those I started them all at $1 and it's just fun. So come by, make sure you use my link down below if you want to sign up for Whatnot. You'll get $10 off your first buy. I also get a referral credit, which is good for me too, so it's a win-win. All in all, I had a lot of fun. I hope you guys enjoyed this. Make sure you subscribe for more. Comment down below with what your favorite find of the day was, and we'll see you next time.